The countdown to the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is officially on, just weeks away, and things are already heating up with some major leaks. You know how it goes, right? The closer we get, the more the rumors start flying. And these ones? Recently, images of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra have surfaced, offering a glimpse of the devices in some stunning blue tones. These leaks originated from accessory maker Spigen, showcasing both phones nestled in their crystal flex cases, allowing us a closer look at what's ahead. First off, the Galaxy S25 will come in a striking icy blue hue. This shade boasts a rich, cool undertone that evokes a strong winter aesthetic, fresh, crisp, and undeniably exuding a premium feel. Don't anticipate any radical design changes, at least not when compared to the Galaxy S24. While the dimensions may see slight adjustments, it appears Samsung is sticking to its winning formula. Next, we have the Galaxy S25 Ultra, featuring a new color dubbed Titanium Silver Blue. Before you picture a bland, faded blue, think more refined, similar to the Sierra Blue on the iPhone 13 Pro but a touch more subtle. As for the design, expect those rounded corners and narrow bezels we've been hearing about. Now, here's where it gets intriguing. While these are just renders, there's an actual leaked image from Ice Universe providing our first clear look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This could be the real deal. The standout detail from this image? The bezels are incredibly slim. Speculation has been rife that the S25 Ultra's bezels would be 30% thinner than those of the S24 Ultra, and judging by this photo, those claims could be accurate. To give you some context, the S24 Ultra features bezels measuring 3.35 millimeters. But the rumors indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have them at just 2.3 millimeters. That's significant slimming. You can also see how Samsung has embraced this sleek design, with the power and volume buttons looking almost seamlessly part of the frame. Another intriguing detail, the leaked cases reveal a white ring on the back. Why is this noteworthy? It likely indicates that the Galaxy S25 will support Qi 2 wireless charging, enabling faster charging and compatibility with MagSafe-like accessories. We're talking about 25-watt wireless charging speeds, a remarkable jump from 15 watts. That's a solid enhancement. Inside, the Galaxy S25 series is anticipated to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with some models potentially equipped with memory chips from Micron for improved performance and efficiency. Make a note of January 22, 2025. That's when Samsung plans to unveil their 2025 flagships,